thank you for tuning in. This vlog is going to be a pretty chill vlog, nature vlog, artsy vlog. I hope you enjoy. Bye. I went to the store, walked there, and then now I'm eating some pretzels and some provolone. And it's like 2:57. I feel tired. I'm ready to go to bed. So I've been up since fucking like 5. I don't even know. But I'm gonna stay up anyway so that I can go to sleep tonight with ease. It is 10:52 and I'm finally getting ready for bed. I'm about to take a shower and then brush my teeth and lay down and go the fuck to sleep. It's a little bit later than I would like to have started getting ready to go to sleep, but this is the earliest it's been in a long time, so I'm proud of myself for that. Ate some dinner, I hung out, drew a little bit. We watched a movie. It wasn't my favorite movie, and that was my night. Oh, we also cuddled with the kitty a lot. I'm excited for these next few days. I'm really tired. I'll probably check back in the morning. You can tell. Good night. Hello. I woke up originally at 10. I was a little tired, and I wasn't planning on sleeping in that much, but I did. And I woke up at like 1:45. He yearns to go outside. He yearns, but he's not allowed. Huh. He yearns. You may say I'm a dreamer.
Ooh, you may say I'm a dreamer.
It feels so good. I feel like being outside heals my inner child, and it's like a big thing that my inner child has loved and has always loved, and I'm just excited to be outside. It just makes me feel so good. And it's like the perfect temperature, and the birds are chirping, and it smells good, and it's like spring. I love it. We're gonna do some grounding exercises. I want you to relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, notice where you're sitting, take some deep breaths, okay? In through your nose, out through your mouth. I hope this helps you. This is me making a little potion / offering like I would when I was a kid. Feed your inner child, people.
Wanna say hi, buddy? Hi.
This is the little thing I made. I found some moss, these berries, some rocks, this leaf, these other leaves, and then this flower that I like mushed up, and some other leaves that weren't mushing that well. Sitting in the grass, and I'm drinking this strawberry watermelon flavored water. This is the best flavored water. It actually tastes flavored. I don't like LaCroix, or those types of drinks that much, and they also have like a weird carbonated taste. This tastes really good, and it doesn't have sugar in it, I don't think. What's he doing? Just wants to say hi. Hello, I woke up not too long ago. I actually woke up at 10, which is not too bad. I got ready. I'm wearing this. This is my swimsuit. This is the kitty. The kitty's meowing because he wants to go outside. I'm eating this. I need more food, but honestly, I don't even know what to eat for breakfast. This kitty.
Oh, say hi.
Oh, toes. He wants to go outside so bad, but he cannot. He cannot escape. He cannot come out. Hi. Hi, sweet angel. Oh, do you hear those purrs? Oh, thank you. Hi. Oh, not on my face. You can go on my neck, but not on my face. You're so sweet. You trying to make biscuits? Oh. He's happy. I'm excited for today. I'm wearing my swimsuit. It's so cute. If you watched my other vlog, you've seen it. Yeah. Whoa, thank you so much. That's so cool. Thank you. Have a good day. I just got back. I ate some Hi. I ate some cornbread and now I'm gonna go to shower because my fucking feet feel nasty and I just feel icky. I just need a shower. My goodness. I feel like Ariana Grande Sweetener album.
When raindrops fell down from the sky, the day you left me, an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel cried. She cried. Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next one, bye.